What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another live trading video. So let's get right into it. It is currently Tuesday, August 11th, 9:19 a.m. here. Looks like my OBS is working well today, thankfully. Let me close out of this. All right, and yeah, I'm going to walk you guys through my bias a little bit. We have a little bit over 10 minutes until market open here, and I actually do really like what I'm seeing today, so I feel like this is going to be a pretty solid day. So we'll start off the bias here on, I guess, the daily. And I mean, it's pretty obvious. We have been displacing way higher. But the things that I think are worth noting here is that we have this huge daily rejection wick here out of this daily bullish gap. Then we formed this other daily bullish gap, which we now put in this daily rejection wick. So overall, we are just, pretty obviously respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Same with the 4-hour here. I mean, as you guys can tell, we're running through these 4-hour bearish gaps. And it looks like we just want to go higher. I mean, we're getting close back to, on NQ, we're low-key still pretty far. But on ES, we are really, really close to all-time highs. So we're making our way back. And yeah, so like I said, definitely bullish on the day. And let me show you guys exactly what I want to see on today. So when we're looking at the 1-hour here, as you guys can see, we have this unmitigated 1-hour bullish gap here, which honestly, I'm okay with using that as my key level for today. I mean, this is basically EQ of this range here. So yeah, like I said, I'd be okay if I just see a little bit more of like a shallow retracement. I don't need to see anything crazy, and then I'm cool with taking longs. So as for DOLs, we have previous day high up here, but my main DOL for the day is this 2-hour internal. And I mean, honestly, I don't think that we're going to reverse off of that. I think that previous day high on ES is probably realistically our DOL. But I mean, I'd be down to just close there. And then we also have this 1-hour internal low below us, along with this daily internal low. So, I mean, we have like a good amount of DLs below us as well if we want to get manipulation even lower. But I mean, I'd be cool with just taking something that looks like this. Like, I'll draw it out. My ideal setup would just be 9:30 open low, straight up, Judas swing, target that 2-hour internal. Nothing crazy. But yeah, another thing that I really like about what I've been seeing, so since around 7 a.m., we have been just straight up accumulating, and we've been generating this like pretty nice low resistance, these like kind of smoothish highs, I guess you could say, leading up to that 2-hour internal. So low resistance leading up to high time frame DOL, pretty much perfect, ideal, what we want to see. So yeah, I mean, that is basically the bias for the day. Super quick one, but it's a pretty easy bias today, I think. I really don't see how you could get this confused. Pretty self-explanatory shit here. And yeah, I mean, I hope we just leave this 1-hour unmitigated before market open on NQ and ES. And then yeah, definitely we got to see some true manipulation in there, so we know that ES is ready to distribute. And then, I mean, yeah, that's like literally all that we need, though. I mean, I feel really good about what I'm seeing. So, yeah, I mean, hopefully 9:30 just cooks for us. I'm onto a pretty shitty start for this week, bro. I had maybe one of my biggest fumble days of all time yesterday. I mean, it was my first day on this new funded, so I guess that probably had me a little bit like more nervous and hesitant than I usually am. I usually am pretty good about just like taking trades when I see them, like see setup, take setup, but I was hesitating big time yesterday, and I missed out on one of the trades I just didn't see, and then the other one I just completely called out and then just didn't enter for whatever reason. And so yeah, I missed 2 trades. I under risked anyways. It was just like a really like kind of a pussy day where I was just like not risking enough, hesitating, all that stuff. And then I did end up taking a trade which I under risked on, and it ended up being a break even anyways. So yeah, I mean, we are at 50K here. We're at 49. We're 12 cents. We lost 12 cents yesterday. So yeah, we're break even. And I mean, hopefully we can get a dub today. Like I said, in the last video, if you guys did watch it, since I'm on a funded now, I'm gonna be taking it a lot slower. I'm gonna be risking less. I mean, as long as I'm getting my $250 a day, like I'm super okay with that because that's realistically all that I need in order to like count it as a winning day. And then if I see a really, really, really nice setup, then I'm open with risking 500 on that. And then yeah, just letting that ride and catching like a slightly bigger dub. But like realistically, no wins bigger than like 700 would be nice because I do have a 50% consistency rule. So, yeah, I mean, if one of my trades is more than 50% of my total profit, I can't withdraw it. And with 700, I should be fine. So, as long as I'm not making more than 700 on a day, I should be chilling. So, yeah, I just got to go for those smaller wins, like lower risk to reward, just higher probability setups. Don't got to go for the home runs on the fundeds. All I need is the consistency. Realistically, if you have your 5 winning days, which I don't think is that hard to do, it has to be $250 minimum win. Then, my bad. At that point, you're like basically already eligible for a payout because you need 5 winning days x 250. That will get you to 51,250. Okay, I I guess you do need more than that. So you low-key do have to up your risk a little bit, but you need, I think, 52,600 to be able to request a payout. So, I mean, that's like what, like $500 wins. So it's very doable to get for me to be requesting a payout maybe by the end of next week. But yeah, I mean, I still haven't gotten a single winning day on this one, so definitely can't be speaking too soon on it, but I don't think I'm gonna go for like a max payout on this. I think I'll just request whatever whenever I am eligible for that payout. Hopefully, I'll be eligible, but yeah, I'm not gonna go for like a max payout or anything. A lot of the times though, you already are at the max payout level when you're like getting ready to request. God damn, bro. No Celsius for today because I'm not going to the gym. I'm low-key taking like not a week off the gym, but like I'm not gonna go as much this week just because I have so much work to do before I leave to college. Have to I do like Depop selling, and I have probably over 250 items left still that I need to post on Depop, Grailed, and eBay. So that's I have to make like 700 listings in the next 2 weeks. So it's like it's a lot. It's a lot of work, but I mean, I'm gonna be able to get it done for sure. At least the Depop part, and then I can work on the other stuff once I'm in college too. It's just like I gotta get my pictures done and do my Depop listings, because then I just copy over all that info over to my other platforms and shit. But yeah, zooming into 1 minute here, kind of getting ready for this market open. This is a 15-minute internal low on ES. Hopefully we don't react off of that, but I'm going to just mark it out just in case. But yeah, I do really, really like this kind of low time frame LR leading up to that high time frame. It's just that we're low-key like far as shit from this. We're only 87 points away. Candles are not really volatile right now. Right now, we're actually not that far. It's like low-key not a bad target. But honestly, I'll be willing to take just a 1-to-1, risking like 350 probably. And then, yeah, just letting that one ride. But yeah, we got 2 minutes here until market open. Unfortunately, yesterday, bro, I mean, I would have taken that Judas swing for sure, but I missed the fact that there was a CISD on the 30-second that had like a fire close. So I would have for sure taken that if I would have seen it, but I missed it. I was on the 15-second trying to catch like an inverse, but there was just no inverses on that trade whatsoever. You could have only taken it maybe like a 5-second inverse, but I don't trade those. And then maybe you could have ripped like the CIST, like I said, that was like really the only way to go about it. But yeah, no news today also. And this is CPI week, so tomorrow is CPI. Might be a little bit less volatile today. But I mean, you never know. In these days, bro, it's like 100-point candles for market open. It's basically like CPI every day. So it's like, who cares? But yeah, let's see what we got here. We got a little bit under a minute left. So yeah, like I said, I'm just looking for an open low into this 1 hour gap here, and I mean pretty simple stuff. Really simple buys today. Let's hope that price gives us what we want to see and we can finish our day fast, bro. It's the best feeling whenever I'm like done with my trades super quick. It's like actually the best shit ever. So something like that would be what we're going for. Let's see what 930 wants to do here. I'd also be open to taking like a continuation setup later on in this session because I am extremely bullish today. Awesome. We get it on NQ there. Does ES want to get down there or nah? ES is edging it. If we get this 15-second, I'm not going to take it until ES taps that. Definitely got to see ES manipulate this too. ES just hit that 15-minute. Come on. You want to hit the 30-second, the 1 hour or no? There we go. Okay. ES has now hit the 1 hour. So we have our true manipulation there. Looks like we're just running lower. What is this low? Okay, that's the London low. So for sure would want to see a strong reaction off of that. ES just tapped CE. Wicked really nicely off of CE. I don't love how deep we're digging here. I would have liked to see like a more, I guess, volatile movement here. So we now have this 1 minute here as our highest time frame in the gap. Yeah. This risk reward is just really bad right now. Kind of cooked us. Maybe we tap this and then we get like a more low time frame inverse. Well, we're about to get this 2 minute here in like a minute. All right, well, now this is a 2 minute gap. It looks like we are making our way lower to this London low. We don't have much on ES here that is of value. 15-minute internal. Definitely a slower day today. I'm not seeing anything at all, to be honest. This low resistance is so nice. It's actually insane. Like, this looks like fire ass AMD, but we are just like completely failing to get like a move to the upside off of that. Like, this 1 hour is just failing to distribute. Like, 100-point stop loss is wild as well. Kind of just want to see NQ tap that gap here, and then we get a long. Who knows, bro? Maybe we're just bearish until that daily internal. At anything lower than this, though, I would not consider for longs, bro. So this is now a 4-minute gap right here. Yeah, like the 150-point stop loss is ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely not really interested in taking that shit right there. Yeah, we don't even get that 1 minute down there. It's kind of cooked. It's kind of cooked. Not gonna lie. Well, hopefully we tap this daily internal and then stop hunt on NQ here maybe, and then ES taps the 1 hour. Let's see how we react here. I kind of like this. It was this. We had so NQ tapped that London low 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour ITL that is also London low. Then we get a move up, stop hunt on NQ, then ES taps it, and then I was thinking potentially an inversion throughout there. But yeah, I mean, it looks like we're just failing to get everything and anything here. Have to be a pretty quick break even at this 5 minute here if we were to get this. All right, I'll take this and I'll just literally go break even right away whenever we hit that 5 minute. It's going to be a really quick break even. Just because I really do like that displacement that we had. All right, I'm just hoping we run higher. Okay, well, we get break even there like instantly. It is what it is. We kind of tapped the 5 minute and got basically instantly break evened. But yeah, the reason that I took that was just because we were still edging that daily internal low. Didn't really want to risk that. It was a pretty automatic break even, though, unfortunately. I mean, I guess we'll see if this ends up playing out. But yeah, I mean, I got break even like right away. I could see this playing out, but at the same time, it's like just because we were edging that daily internal, I didn't think it was worth the risk of not going break even at the 5 minute, because it is technically the 5 minute could send us lower to that daily internal low, which would just make me feel even better about longs. So yeah, that's a very valid break even. That was kind of just a trade where like you take it and then you just hope that it bleeds, like it just absolutely runs. But it's definitely not one that I would risk not going break even at. I wish we had a better close here. If we would have closed like around here, we would have been able to have kind of more room to breathe there. But I mean, the close was nice. It was a really strong close. It was just kind of, you know, low key, like too strong. Excited to see how this 5 minute holds and if this trade ends up running or not. I mean, I could for sure see it playing out, but at the same time, like I said, it's definitely a riskier one. Definitely a riskier one. Like, I could even see a short out of this 5 minute playing out. It's just an unsponsored gap, but like a short out of this 5 minute targeting that, I could see working for sure. Because the longs off of this daily internal is realistically the goal for the day. But yeah, I mean, I could have seen them playing off that London low as well, just because of how nicely we souped it on ES. We had the stop hunt on NQ. I mean, it was pretty textbook. Just that 5 minute was kind of messing with me. But Yeah, I mean, it looks like um, it was smart of me to go basically insta break even there. There was one thing though, my fucking thing looks so weird. My like market order was like hella messed up. Okay, I think it's fine now. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, hopefully this 5 minute gap just sends us lower. And then we can use this high here where I got basically break even at as a potential little TP spot after we tap that daily. At that point, it would be a daily internal low attacking a low resistance liquidity in a 5 minute. So that would be like really, really nice if we got that. Honestly, just gonna delete this fucking 5 minute off my page and this 1 hour. Gotta declutter the charts a little bit here. If on ES I saw a resweep of here, boom, okay. Let's see how we're feeling about this. .30 is opened. 3, 2, 1. All right, so this is now a daily internal low. Would 100% not want to see price go any lower than that. 100%. If we get this, I'll take it. If we get this, I'll take it. We got a resweep of that low on ES. Both are pretty much in a spot to distribute here. We're opening up a 1 minute here. Fuck, dude. That's brutal. Absolutely brutal. Maybe ES wants to tap that daily internal as well. Or wait, what is ES even approaching, bro? Oh, that 1 hour, the London low. Okay. Okay. I could see that. Bro, like I said, you could have shorted that 5 minute. So yeah, this is now a 2 minute. Unfortunately, bro. God, this is just really messy. I don't love today. I don't love this, but I don't hate it either. Like, price is kind of doing what I expected, but it's just like, I don't know. It's low-key cooked. It's low-key cooked. What the hell is this? Okay, 4 hour internal. kind of like this 3 minute. I feel like this could be nice. It's better risk to reward, and it's more of like a discounted entry than the 2 minute, which is like all the way up here. 3 minute opens up in 30 seconds. There might be this 1 minute inverse though. I hope we don't inverse this 1 minute and we just wait until this 3 minute low key. Yeah, we're definitely going to. Okay. I actually like this. More. 4 minutes even nicer. 5 minute would be nice too. I like this 3 minute that we formed here. I like that a lot. Pretty good risk to reward on that. I do want to see ES go lower though. I do want to see ES hit this. I'm really surprised that that daily gap, that daily internal didn't like really completely distribute us, but it might just be one of those days. Yeah, I mean, it looks like ES is just trending towards that low. So, like, I don't want to force anything until we get that. And then maybe we could still rip this, like, 3 minute or this 4 minute. Got the 4 minute there. 5 minute, we're not going to get that for a while. So yeah, I low-key do like this risk reward quite a bit. That was a good break even by me. I'm not mad about that. That's kind of a trade where you sometimes you could just get lucky with that. It was kind of like an agreed upon DOL. Like either we rip through that or we tap it and then send us lower. Like we have to hit that 5 minute regardless of what happens. Yeah, I don't love that we left equal lows here. Yeah, I really do not like ES right now. I really don't like ES. Holding this 4 minute currently. Bro, I just want to see ES go lower. Maybe we're using this 4 minute as a little continuation type. Maybe. Use this to send us lower. I don't love that we have like low resistance at our stop loss either. So if I were to take this, I'd probably do like something like this and just TP here. I don't know if I'd go maybe stop loss like somewhere around here. I don't know if I'd go all the way with the 67 point stop loss, 6-7. Bro, NQ's holding this 1 minute or this 4 minutes super nicely, so that's why I feel like ES might have a chance to go lower. which would be perfect. Because ES is just not like in a spot to distribute right now whatsoever. And NQ is like really holding that 4 minute. ES is holding it as well. We now have this as a 5 minute. Maybe a little break even, and then we get a resweep, and then an entry, potentially. Maybe. Yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of a shitty day. We have had zero, like, really, really nice entries so far. Like, the one that I took, this 30-second, was, like, the best entry that I saw all day. And then that was an automatic break even, like, within a second. Did I lose on that? I forgot to check. Oh, nice, okay. Made $4 on that. W. W. Well, I don't know, bro. I hope we use this 5 minute we just tapped into it to maybe send us lower, maybe. So that's our 5 minute right there. Bro, the stop loss is fucking big. I don't think I'm going to take this even if we get it. Like 95% chance I don't take it, but it might be the only setup we get today. It might be. ES just not is not in a spot to distribute right now. We have like triple equal lows down here on the 5 minute. We have edging of this 1 hour internal low, which is London low too. Although NQ is holding that daily internal low like pretty nicely, it's like still, I don't know, just because ES. We're forming a 15-minute bearish gap here. Bro, there's no shot. Yeah, so this is a 15-minute bearish gap, so it's gonna have to be like a pretty quick break even. No, I'm definitely fading this. I'll leave it marked out just so we can see if it plays, because I'm pretty sure that is gonna inverse. But yeah, no, definitely not. Definitely don't know about that one. If we didn't, even if we had the 15-minute, bro, if ES was just like not as like weird right now with leaving like triple equal lows and edging London low and all that type of stuff, I'd be more open to taking this long on NQ, this 5 minute long, but yeah, I don't love this at all. I don't love this. Yeah, bro, this risk reward is also atrocious. And ES is getting close to that. Okay, this is just the worst trade ever. But maybe, just maybe, we get some type of a continuation short or something out of the 15-minute. When we tap it there. We have good low resistance. Oh fuck. Not that. ES taps its 5-minute there, and it's 15-minute. Bro, like this initial long was like literally the only setup that I saw. That's a really high cortisol trade, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely shorting here makes absolutely no sense though. Why did I fade this? There must have been a reason why I faded this, right? I don't know. Maybe I just didn't see this. This probably would have been, yeah, this would have been low-key a break-even trade regardless. Alright, well, we're kind of just running higher now. Potentially we got like a continuation play for longs. We are definitely going bullish off of that daily internal, which is what I wanted. Just the entries there were not ideal. I mean, I guess there was this 15-second all the way down here. Isn't bad. It's not a bad setup, but it would have been a break-even trade regardless. I would have gone break-even here, and then I would have gone break-even. And anyways, I don't love 15 seconds, so yeah, that would have been a fade for me anyways. So yeah, didn't really get an entry here, unfortunately. But maybe we get a continuation. Maybe we get a little pullback. Who knows? We're about to open up a 5-minute bullish, so we may get a pullback here. I'm not sure. Low-key about to run to the bathroom real quick since it's like 2 minutes until we open this one. But yeah, not the worst in the world, I guess. Even though we do have that big ass 15-minute, my like thoughts are that we're bullish for sure now, so I don't really care about the 15-minute. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back though. All right, so looks like we literally just opened up that 5 minute, and then, I mean, hopefully we get a pullback here. Hopefully we get a pullback. It's pretty much the only thing that I'm looking for at this point in the day. We didn't get an entry off of our initial like key level there with that daily internal. I mean, I did say at the start confirm longs off of that, but I mean we got no real entry there that I loved. So yeah, I mean at this point I'm kind of just hoping for a pullback. I guess we'll see what we got. Bro, it's been actually storming where I'm at for like the last like week completely, like last week straight. It's been straight thunderstorms. Like I got woken up by the loudest thunder of my entire life this morning. It's actually ridiculous. Well, no real pullbacks yet. Kind of just pumping now. Yeah, bro, this triple equal lows was like, I'm not about to just long with that there. Like, sorry. It's like literally like 5x equal lows because it's also equal. Yeah, bro, like what the hell? Like equal lows all around. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right, well, ES is manipulating into this 3 minute here. Doesn't look like NQ is doing shit though. ES might tap the 5 minute, bro. Is that us? The NQ is just not doing anything. Yeah, bro, if you're trading ES, this 3 minute continuation low-key looks beautiful. I don't know. Equal lows, nah. Nah. Fade that. Nice, triple equal lows, bro. We just love printing equal lows today, I guess. I feel like ES is gonna run down to that 5 minute though, and then NQ is just not gonna do anything and just pump. We're opening up another 5 minute here in a minute. Yeah, NQ is just running. Yeah, that 3 minute is playing out on ES. Looks like it is. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. All right, we're opening up this new 5 minute now on NQ. So maybe we get something there. On ES, we've been manipulating this 5 minute new candle opening gap. So that's what we're really reacting off of. Yeah, we wicked into here. And we kind of just started ripping. I do like this 5 minute though. We have good accumulation here. Let's see. Wow. ES is just ripping off that. Oh, well. Alright, give me some accumulation lower, or some manipulation lower. Anything, anything, anything. Maybe ES wants to re-manipulate that new candle opening gap, and then we get NQ to just tap this 5 minute, and then maybe we get longs. Maybe. It's possible, very possible. NQ is kind of just lagging right now. ES is, what the fuck? ES is ripping, like, super volatile right now, and then NQ is just barely moving. It looks like ES is getting super close to that new candle opening gap. Yeah, bro. ES looks like, I don't know. I don't know what the hell's happening. We're so volatile. We are manipulating or accumulating nicely on NQ. So if we want to get manipulation out of this, it would low-key be nice, like pretty good AMD. I do like this 5 minute as well, since it's technically a sponsored 5 minute off of that daily. Alright, well, there goes ES way lower. Crazy volatile on ES. Yeah, NQ is just absolutely lost right now. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe, we get something on NQ now. Alright, well, there we go. NQ did tap the 5 minute there. Let's see how we're feeling here with this 15-second. feeling to close. All right, I'll take that. We'll go break even. It's a good point to go break even here. No, I'm going to just let this hold low key. I'm going to just let this one hold until we get 250 profit. Not exactly sure where that would be. It's a nice continuation setup there. Move my stop loss here. Since we did tap this high, I will go break even. Okay, and I get break even there. What the fuck? Okay, that's 2 break evens in a day. Yeah, we did tap this high, which honestly is a good place to go break even. Same with this high right here. So yeah, I'm not mad about that. Well, guys, unfortunately, we got double break even today. Today was just not a good day at all. I do think that this could play out. I do think that this trade could play out. But I don't feel amazing about it. We're like just generating equal highs and equal lows, just absolutely everywhere. So it's like, I don't know, what can you do? Thankfully I went break even there. Looks like ES is retapping that 5 minute. ES tapped the lower 5 minute, actually, that's what it was. If NQ wants to get a resweep of this, okay, we get a resweep there. Goddamn. Super fucking volatile right now. Out of nowhere, too. I'll see how this 30-second, I potentially could get a re-entry here. I was going to say I'll call it, but if we get a re-entry like this right away, then I'll rip this. Turning into a 1 minute here in like a second. Yeah. We got a 1 minute here now. Better risk to reward on that, so happy with that. Yeah, if we get this 1 minute, I'll take it, just because we did get remanipulation on ES, and yeah, I feel good about it. Did I press sell or buy? Fuck. Yeah, depending on how we get this close on this 1 minute, I'll take this. It just depends on the close. ES just looks like it's about to fucking rip without us, unfortunately. Yeah, we get the inverse there on ES. Yeah, this is just all over the place, bro. I do like that initial long that we had, but yeah, I sadly got break even. Fucking annoying, but what can you do? I was dead ass about to press buy. But yeah, we're just not getting this inverse here. This is taking way too long to. Oh wait, I was on the 30-second, bro. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm not taking this setup, even if we do get this inverse. It's taking way too long to inverse, and yeah, it's just not worth the risk to me. It's just not worth the risk. I did like the idea of a re-entry, but it's just taking ages to freaking inverse now. So it's like, yeah, I don't love it. Got double break even today, basically instantly on both. We're just chopping, rubber banding, bro. Literally just rubber banding around. I'd be curious to see if this plays, but we're holding this 1 minute so strongly. It's like, goddamn. Yeah, I cannot take that, bro. It's taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes to inverse. That's like pushing it. And my rule is that I only do take 2 trades a day, and if they're both break even, then. But those were like such shitty break evens that I would be okay with taking another trade if we got one. But like, bro, what the hell? What the hell is this chop? Like, actually, chop of doom. ES's maybe wanting to remanipulate. Get CE tapped potentially on ES. Not tapping CE. We're just kind of and doing whatever here. These types of inversions also are super bad. Do not take this type of a trade. Like where it's kind of like an inverse within the accumulation, like you're not really seeing that true like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. When you're taking like an inverse like this, that's like within that accumulation. It's just super, super bad. Super low probability. I'd be curious to see if it plays out, but not my type of setup. Definitely not my type of setup. I mean, we did get remanipulation on ES. all that. So, I mean, I guess we could see if this runs. Didn't even get the close. All right, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I think I'm gonna call it there. That was a really bad trading day. Price action is just not good right now. And there is no reason for me to be trading because this shit looks awful. We had, I guess, the right like prediction on the day, if we want to say that. Like, I knew that we were gonna manipulate lower, get distribution higher. This 15-second was probably trade of the day, to be honest. Probably trade of the day. But even that would have been a break even because the way I would have taken this is I would have entered here and I would have been probably break even at like an internal high or low or something. What's a good spot where I could have gone break even here? Low key like this high, this internal. And then even if I just held it for a 1-to-1, would have hit my break even point here and then would have stopped me out. So literally straight break evens today, no matter what you would have done. I'm very curious to see if we ever end up inversing this 1 minute. Because if we do, I feel like it is going to rip, but it's just not the type of setup that I like to take. So yeah, we got double break even on the day, unfortunately. It is what it is. Kind of happens. This, like, I mean, just look at this price action. Kind of tells you what's going on here. But, I mean, yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. So that is now 2 break-even days in a row to start off this new trading week. Happens, I guess. Yesterday should have been a winning day, but I mean, I completely my bad yesterday. Today was kind of unavoidable break evens. The setups that I took, I actually did like. I didn't like have a problem with those setups, but they were like the type of setups where you just have to go break even pretty much right away. You can't like just hope that they ride. And yeah, like I couldn't risk not going break even on them, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, if you guys do want to check out my other social media, I'm about to put the link to those in the comments. I also do like fashion, lifestyle videos, all that type of stuff. Also have a trading TikTok and Instagram coming soon. TikTok's already out, but Instagram is coming soon as well. So if you guys do want to check those out, the link to the TikTok will be in the description, and then Instagram is coming soon, like I said. And we'll be back again tomorrow with another live trading video, hoping to get a backtesting video out here soon, maybe today, if not tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace out, everybody.